Hey guys, Mike was Gettin Greasy Garage. Alright, well, we got the final gauge today, the GlowShift boost gauge, which is also a vacuum gauge for anybody that's looking for a vacuum gauge. This will work both ways. Uh, Again, pretty happy with the quality of this kit. Very thorough instructions. Nice gauge. This is the harness that goes from the vacuum module to the gauge. Very good quality rubber tubing, vacuum hose. Some of this stuff that I've gotten lately, I wouldn't even call it vacuum hose. It's so thin, more like heat shrink. They give you a filter, a couple of clamps, and a T. I cut these pieces out of that tubing. And anyway, yeah, you plug in the module to the gauge with this harness. And then you got your power harness for the gauge itself. And yeah, so I'll be able to get this mounted in the pod and show you guys that. But yeah, pretty straightforward. I like the quality of this GlowShift gauges over some of the other brands that are out there. That's my personal opinion. You do what you want, and I'm going to do what I want. So, or at least what my customers want. So, anyway, pretty simple. You put the T in between a boost source. In this case, I will tap into the blow-off valve and add the T there. And of course, it runs to the module, and I'll plug everything in, and we'll get a boost number. I just really didn't even want to run this engine until I had this gauge and the air-fuel ratio. You know, that's personal preference. You do what you want. I do it my way on this stuff. So, anyway, yeah, I just figured I'd show you guys that. This gauge did come with another one of those little sun shields. I don't need it for what I'm doing with them. So, I'll get it all installed and we'll do a video on that. Alright, guys, well, thanks for watching. Here's another unboxing for you. And we'll see you in the next one.